In this video, I will show you some new features about the Storyboard tool. We use the tool to get screen captures from videos and put them in a collage. The tool is located under the Apps menu, Utility page from our awesome site. There are many tools can be found on that page, and the Storyboard tool is the first one. After launching the tool, you will see a page like this. The interface is pretty simple, and I will go through the configuration one by one. First, the number of images captured per second. By default, the tool will snap image from video every second. But if your video has a lot of movement, you might want to get more captures. In that case, you can change the rate to 2 images per second or 3 images per second. Second, dimension. In most cases, our video is in landscape mode, like most YouTube videos. However, if your video is specifically designed for mobile app, like TikTok or Instagram, they are in portrait mode. So, you need to select the right dimension that fits your video before adding the video link or uploading the video. Third, video link. And previously, the tool only accepts YouTube link. Now it works with the MP4 link from our Amazon server as well. Of course, you can upload the local video, but it has a size limitation, 25 megabytes. So, you'd better to ask graphic teams to resize and optimize the video for you first. Then create the storyboard using the tool. To save some time, I have created 2 examples. The first one uses MP4 video link from our server, and the video is in the portrait mode. The tool has analyzed the video, and snapshots have been generated here. Press the configure button to see the snapshots in large size. For portrait mode, the tool will create a 4x2 layout image which looks like this one. You can see it is not very optimized, and you might want to use different number of images or do some after touching, like adding transcript on the image. Hence, I will suggest you saving the images you like by right-clicking it, then choose the save option. For this example, the video is simple, so I only saved 6 images. Now, I will use PowerPoint to create the storyboard. Here a blank PowerPoint file. Since the image are in portrait shape, I need to change the slide layout be portrait as well. After dropping all the images in the slide, we can align them one by one, or check the design idea which provided by PowerPoint. Sometimes, you will find the layout you want is right there. Like in this case, I will select this layout. And now the images are perfectly sized and aligned. Let's quickly go through the second example, a YouTube video. We select landscape mode and add the YouTube link. Here are the snapshots the tool created. For landscape mode, the tool will create a 3x3 layout. If the 9 images are all we need, we can select the image and press the save button. Then we will get an image like this. You can save it and use it as is. But if you need more control over the layout, then you need to save and position the snapshots one by one like what I did in the previous example. This is all you need to know about the tool, and hope you get a better idea now.